guys, welcome back to my channel. I've made a curry today, chicken curry with roti. So I'm gonna have tomato chutney, or what we call Satini in Mauritius. What I'm adding in my one, obviously you've got a lot of optional things when you make it Satini. One, I normally always add chili in my chutney, but I'm gonna do one without chili because not everyone has chili. So if you want chili, I'd say add 1 to 2 green chilies in it. If you don't have green chili, you can add chili flakes, because at the end of the day, it's whatever chili you've got around that you can put in it. Now, I'm only doing this is probably gonna last a day or two anyway, but I'm putting 2 whole tomatoes in here. I'm putting a bunch of coriander, which is literally a handful like this. Fresh coriander. If you don't have fresh coriander, you can use powdered, but the flavour and the aroma you get off it is just not the same. I'm gonna put 1 clove of garlic in it. Again, this is optional, not everyone puts the garlic in. I do, I find it brings the flavour out anyway. And I'm gonna put 1/3 of an onion in. Now I am also going to put a pinch of salt in it, and this you can chop this all up finely, but because I'm going to do it as a like Satini, I'm going to blend it in the NutriBullet. So what I'm firstly going to do is throw the tomatoes in here, blend the tomatoes up first until you really get it into like a liquid puree. That's literally a puree now. Literally like that. Now that that's done, literally took what, 10 seconds. Gonna throw the onions in here. I'm gonna actually just in case, I'm gonna chop up the garlic. I'm gonna throw the coriander in, and again I'm gonna put salt to taste. If you don't like salt, you don't need to put any salt, but I recommend you bring out salt. It just enhances the flavour. I'm gonna probably put that much salt in. Wait, hold on. Yep, I'm gonna put that much salt in it. Remember, when you're making this, salt is something you can add when it's finished. It's literally what, 5-10 seconds. So as you can see, now have a look at this. That's the consistency you want. If for some reason the tomato you're using, you find it's thick and it's always too thick for you, you can add a touch of water to it. So now that's done, what I like to normally do, tough. Yep, like that. So again, there you have it. And of course, you've always got to have a taste. Yep, perfect. Alright guys, let me know what you think about it. Make it for the family. You can have it with most food. You can add chili sauce in it as a chili. So let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comment.